Rather than buying a new tractor, I opted to go for the mulching mower. My name's David. We're in Pahoia, just north of Tauranga. I've been growing avocados here for about 8 years. We started off bare land, and so I've planted everything from there. When I first arrived, I looked at tractor options and mower options, opted for the mid-mount slasher mower that came with the tractor. My mower requirements were mainly grass. We planted the avocado trees, and so we end up with a lot of grass. And so a wider mower and a quicker mow worked well to start with. Well, my mower basically died again. Twice I'd run over some prunings in the orchard and smashed the spindles. They got expensive to replace, and I looked at options of repairing the mower. Nothing was particularly compatible, and so I would have ended up having to buy a new tractor to get a new mower, or trying to rehash the old mower again. The guy says, you know, have you thought about a mulching mower on the back of your tractor? And I'd probably dismissed it because part of what I want to do is keep around the shed and the greenhouse, keep it tidy like a mowed lawn. Thought of a mulcher mower as it was a pretty rough agricultural implement and wouldn't do a very good job. Well, that's turned out wrong. Rather than buying a new tractor, I opted to go for the mulching mower. More versatile, mows the orchard, mows the prunings. I tend to let the grass under the trees get quite long and only mow it once a year, and so it gets up to knee high. The slasher mower really struggles with that, whereas the mulching mower, you just mow over it, no problem at all. We also have Kikuyu, and if you let the Kikuyu grow too long, the mid-mount mower just can't handle the Kikuyu at all, whereas the mulching mower will mow 2-year-old Kikuyu, again knee-high Kikuyu, will mow it without a problem. And as far as the tidy job around the shed and around the greenhouse, it's the equal, if not better, than the old mower. It's fantastic, and I wished I'd got one earlier.